Sure.
who's actually living in Seattle.
You sure you can, yep. Just
Okay.
make sure keep it updated
Yeah.
and make sure you and your brother get along.
He's in the process of doing this now.
Okay.
But the attorney up there said that we needed to contact attorney, like my brother's in Colorado, so he would need to contact an attorney out there, and I would have to contact one here.
So your dad's your dad's in Seattle,
He lives
so
in
he's
Seattle.
created the power of attorney.
Right.
He's still healthy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it should be based on Seattle law.
Yeah.
But maybe, I don't know why he's, but you guys are just, you guys are the agents.
Yeah.
The attorneys act
That's
agents.
what I thought.
But there's different ways to draft it. You can act together.
Yeah.
Both of you need to act in unison,
Okay.
bilaterally, or unilaterally. Either one of you can act. So I typically am not a fan of it. So they have two Tom Bradys on the field at the same time, right? So usually I like to say one Tom Brady and then the backup.
Okay.
Yeah. But your dad might be doing it for a reason. It comes down to counseling, the dream snapshot thing. Like what your dad thinks, you might want to check some balances in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.